Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampabove.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. So today for my Wait What Wednesday tip video, I have a really great tip for you. It was something that I heard or saw online and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to try that. So I did and it worked and now I need to share it with you. Before I go there, Menasha Blue Jay football going to state on Friday. I am super excited for our hometown team and wish them the best of luck playing DeForest. Yeah, we're so excited for our Menasha football team. I used to go to all the games when Haley was in high school. It was just so much fun to see the kids out on the field playing and working their little butts off. So let's flip the camera around. I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about for my tip today. I also want to let you know the online extravaganza starts today also. We have a bunch of cardstock and ink pads on sale. We also have some bundles on sale. Make sure you head over to my blog, www.stampabove.com. Scroll down the page and you're going to see everything that's on sale. I've got some great samples to share with you on there too. Okay, time to flip. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we all know red. What's the deal with red ink? Who knows? It always gets on your hands, like always. I don't know what it is about red ink, but I always get the red ink all over me. And every other color for that matter. You guys know that I'm kind of a messy stamper. And oftentimes when I'm doing videos, I'll be working along and I'll go, oh my gosh, look at my hands. I'm so sorry, I'm just filthy. It's always ink. You know my hands aren't dirty, right? So you're stamping along and you're doing all the things and pretty soon you've got your fingers in the ink and you know, just for some fun today, we've got ink all over our fingers. It's always red. So I'm just gonna take a baby wipe and wipe it off as you've seen me do many, many times. But here's the deal. Let's say that when I get done making this card that I need to go to the bank or I need to go to the grocery store or I have a concert to go to at the school for one of the kids, or, you know, you have to go out in public. This doesn't come off, right? Like there's ink everywhere, and now what do? I don't want to go someplace looking like this and hand something to somebody, my money or my debit card or whatever. So I found this fantastic solution that gets this ink off like magic. We're going to head over to my bathroom and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Hang tight. Do you guys happen to remember lava soap from like a million years ago? Yeah, well, somebody told me that this will get the ink off your hands that does the staining. So I'm going to show you. I actually had to go on Amazon and order these bars because I looked everywhere for them. Nobody has them. Nobody has lava soap anymore. And then I was sharing this with somebody and they told me that you can get this in a pump. So I didn't know that. But I swear to you, red is a super hard color to get off. And look at how much lighter that is. Now, I wouldn't be embarrassed to go any place with this. The other colors of ink I find come off with no problem at all. Red is a little more stubborn. I don't know if it's got more dyes in it or just what the deal is. But I didn't have to scrub my hands. My hands aren't raging red because I had to like use sandpaper on them to get them clean. Look at that. I am ready to go to the bank, to the post office, to the child's concert, and not look like a hot mess. And there you go. Lava, L-A-V-A, soap. Gets the ink off of your hands without scrubbing your skin off. And you don't have to look like a hot mess when you go out in public, right? All right, you guys, don't forget about the online extravaganza that's going on right now. I have my monthly host code right here. Whoops. Oh, I think this will turn out. It's backwards as I look at it in the screen. This is my monthly host code that you want to use when you're placing your order, only if your order is under $150. If it's over $150, don't use this code. Stampin' Up! Is going to give you rewards, and I definitely want you to have them. Now, also, it's Wednesday, Hump Day. Hump Day is my joke of the week day. So I have a great joke waiting for you on my blog right here. Head over there, check it out, get yourself a little giggle, check out the online extravaganza, see if there's something that you have and get it on sale. So that's exciting. And most of all, thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. Have a wonderful hump day. Bye-bye.